Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Podcast. I'm John.
And I'm Lisa.
How you doing, Lisa?
I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm fine. Lisa, what is the topic today?
Today, we're talking about pet, where we share stories, tips, love for our favorite animals, and also the topic close to our hearts, our favorite pets. Whether you love cats, dogs, or even exotic animals, this episode is for you. Before starting the podcast, let's check some key words and definitions. 1. Loyal. Faithful and reliable in supporting and loving someone or something, especially a pet. 2. Affectionate. Showing fondness or love towards someone or something. 3. Independent. Capable of functioning or caring for oneself without help from others. 4. Mysterious. Difficult to understand or explain, having an air of secrecy or ambiguity. 5. Graceful. Elegant and smooth in movement or appearance. 6. Mischievous. Causing trouble in a playful or teasing way. 7. Mischief. Playful misbehavior or troublemaking. 8. Joyful. Full of happiness or pleasure. 9. Charms. Attractive or appealing qualities. 10. Reservation. The state of being shy or hesitant to show feelings or affection. 11. Reserved. Keeping one's thoughts, feelings, or intentions private, not openly expressive. 12. Loyalty. The quality of being faithful and dependable. 13. Behavior. The way in which a person or animal acts, especially toward others. 14. Shelters. Facilities that house and care for homeless, abandoned, or rescued animals. 15. Family members. People related to each other by blood, marriage, or adoption. Close or special companions. 16. Care. The process of looking after or providing for something or someone. 17. Adopting. Legally taking responsibility for another's pet or child, making them part of your family. Okay, let's start our podcast.
Yes, Lisa. I've always been a dog person. They're loyal, fun, and always happy to see you. Lisa, what about you?
Well, I've always had a soft spot for cats. They're independent, but also very affectionate when they want to be. Plus, they're so mysterious and graceful.
That's true. I think dogs are more energetic, right? They love outdoor activities, going on walks, playing fetch.
Exactly. Cats are more low-key. They enjoy their naps and like to observe everything quietly. But they can also be playful, especially when they see a laser pointer or a toy.
Do you remember your first pet, Lisa?
Oh yes, it was a little tabby kitten named Whiskers. I was so young, maybe 5 years old. She was fluffy, mischievous, and loved curling up on my lap. How about you, John?
My first pet was Max, a golden retriever. He was big, friendly, and loved everyone. I used to take him to the park every weekend. He just had this joyful energy that made everyone smile.
Dogs definitely bring a lot of happiness, but cats have their own charm. I think they're more independent, so they're perfect for people who are busy but still want a pet.
That's a good point. I think for me, dogs are more social. They thrive on interaction. Cats can be a bit more reserved, but I find that makes their affection even more special.
Speaking of which, do you have any funny pet stories, John?
Oh, plenty. But one always stands out. Max once stole my sock and ran around the yard with it. He looked so proud. I couldn't help but laugh. Do you have a funny cat story, Lisa?
Absolutely. Whiskers once got into a box of tissue and ended up with a face full of paper. She looked so guilty when I found her, sitting in the middle of a tissue mess.
Pets really add so much joy to life, don't they?
Yes, they do. They're not just animals, they become family members. Their loyalty, love, and quirky behaviors make every day brighter.
Well said. Before we wrap up, Lisa, what advice would you give to someone thinking of getting a pet?
I'd say consider your lifestyle and choose a pet that matches it. Also, always provide love, patience, and proper care. Pets give us so much in return.
I agree. And remember, adopting from shelters is a wonderful way to find a pet in need of a home.
Absolutely. Well, that's all for today's episode of Pet Talk. Thanks for listening, everyone.
Until next time, take care of your pets and maybe consider adding a furry friend to your family.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you next time.